Today I am back, and today I have a special guest. What you doing just laying there? Can you walk to mommy? Can you walk to me? Oh, you almost there. Okay, you so cute. I hope you know that. Okay, today I have a special guest. Let's reveal your face, if you can. Here, ooh, you're getting heavy. This is my favorite dog ever since Speedy left us. Okay. And so, come on. You got it. I believe in you. Oopsie daisy. Oof. You cute. Okay. So that's enough kisses for now. Oof. So, today I'm here with my special guest. And if you're gonna pee, wait, are you peeing? Okay, good job. So, yeah. So I'm here with my little buddy. And so, most of the puppies are depressed. And I am the one that is spending a lot of time with them. Plus, if you want to see more puppy videos, go like my videos and I'll make way more puppy videos. So, yeah. Hey, wanna be on my lap? So our fans can see you, your cuteness. Ow, my hand. I got you, baby. I got you. You cuteness. Oh my gosh, you're so soft. So, just so you know, Daisy, she peed on Hannah when Hannah was leaving earlier. That was cool. So yeah. But you will never do that to me, right? I love you. So yeah. You okay, buddy? You okay? Okay. So something weird flew by my window. I hate that part on my bed. You're so cute. So if you want like a free puppy, just tell me because I have a lot of puppies. Just so you know, do not ask for a puppy, sweetie. If you do, I'm gonna like uppercut you because this is my baby and I want to keep it so bad. Because if we don't find all of them a home, we might have to keep some of them, and I really want to keep this one. Why are you biting my finger? Ow! Ow, baby, please don't bite me. Ow. Broski. You're growing teeth, and you're teething, and it hurts. And it hurts me when you bite me. Okay, there we go. Might have something you can bite. Oh, Broski, please do not go there. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Oh great, you're going back to biting me now. Great, now I have a lot of scratches on my arms. Just so you know, if I come to school tomorrow with a lot of scratches on my arms, it's just from this cute little puppy. I love you. Can you roof it back? Cool. What? it's gotta be worthy. Oof, 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 oof. Butter knuckle. Yeah, you like that? You like that? Oh, that feels good, doesn't it? Oof. Rock-a-bye baby in the treetop when the wind blows. Do not lick me in my mouth, please. But you are cute, but you can lick me on the cheek, but not in my mouth, please. Don't. I love you. I hate you, you hate me. Let's chase Barney up a tree with a baseball bat and a 2x4. No more purple dinosaurs. Okay. I used to watch Barney all the time growing up. I'm still growing up. So yeah. Okay, can you please stop looking at me like that? You look like I just murdered someone. There you go. You're gonna go to sleep. Well, this little monster is tired, so let's make it go. So let's have it go to sleep. It's okay. I love you. Okay, remember, if you have not... Here, can you unclaw for me? There. Oof. There you go. Let's put you down safely. Oof. If you have not smashed that like button, please like it. Oof. Carl, you don't like the camera that much, do you? Oof. Remember, if you had not liked that smash button, please smash it and subscribe. Oof. Dang, you trying to crawl? You trying to crawl? You crawl all you want, baby girl.